In a house of iron rules and quiet halls, I learned to stand behind the shadowed walls. But you were born with sunlight on your wings, a little spark, a heart that had to sing. They try to shape the voice inside your chest, turn your beating heart into their crest. They drew a line you never meant to bear. I felt the fracture in the air. So I built a place where you could breathe, where no one steals the dreams you weave, where every trembling voice is finally heard. In the garden of little birds, I hold the gate and guard the night, so you can rise into the light. Your freedom is the only truth I've learned. In the garden of little birds. Walked alone through corridors of glass, where every echo said you wouldn't last. But even when your wings were bruised and torn, you held a flame, quiet, brave and warm. And when you whispered, they took the ending of your song. So I built a place where you could breathe, where no one bends the voice you bleed, where every broken dream can be restored. In the garden of little birds. Maybe I'm the shadow you will never name, the silent guard behind your flame. But if my darkness lets your colors rise, then let me stand beneath your sky.
So I built a place where you could live, where art is free, untouched by grief, where every childhood wounded wings is pure. In the garden of little birds, I'll be the walls at night, the hidden word. You'll be the hope the world deserves. Fly higher now, your voice has been returned.
So I built a place where you could breathe, where no one steals the voice you weave, where every trembling voice is finally heard. In the garden, in the garden of little birds. For every voice that lost its way, this is home. Let your wings glow.